Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Eisenlink 2-in-1 Foldable Treadmill under desk for home with Incline, app control, portable walking treadmill, quiet for small space, workstation. 300 pounds weight capacity, installation free 3.0 mph, Sliver. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Run with people worldwide. Take your workout to the next level with our Eisenlink 2-in-1 treadmill that supports popular running apps like KineMap and FitShow. Stay motivated by tracking your running data, competing with friends, and experiencing various interesting running scenes. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned runner, our treadmill is here to enhance your fitness journey. Above market average performance. With a powerful 3.0 HP motor, 25% thicker running boards, and a weight capacity of 300 pounds, it offers exceptional stability and durability. Experience a walking mode with speeds ranging from 0.6 to 5 mph, and a running mode with speeds ranging from 0.6 to 8 mph. Additionally, you can adjust the incline for an added challenge. You can pause the treadmill to get a glass of water, and you won't lose your training data. Quick and easy lubrication. Our treadmill comes with an oil port and a free silicone oil bottle. Regular lubrication with our specially formulated methyl silicone oil is essential for smooth operation. Simply squeeze the bottle to dispense around 15 milliliters, of the silicone oil into the lubrication port, close the cap, and restart the treadmill. The silicone oil will be evenly distributed, ensuring optimal belt lubrication. Multi-control options for your convenience. Say goodbye to searching for the remote control. Our treadmill offers multiple control options to suit your preferences. Use the wrist strap remote control, handheld remote control, display screen, or the app control to effortlessly navigate through your workout. Whether you're in your yoga clothes or simply want a hands-free experience, our multi-control options have got you covered. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.